Today I'm going to share with you a watercolor exercise that I wish I learned 2 years ago. Alright, so we're gonna do what are called watercolor puddles. So this means that we want to mix as much paint as we need to create a long bar. So what we're gonna learn is how to mix enough paint to cover small, medium, and big areas. No matter which brush you use, this technique will help you learn how to get into the habit of reloading your brush to be able to do a straight wash. As you can see, I actually didn't do a great job. I want to be able to do the whole thing evenly. The whole area should be the same color. Here is a bit better, but here is very random. So what you want to strive for is to have an even wash. Let's try it again. I'm bringing a different paper just to see if there's a difference as well on that. Now I'm gonna stick just with this one that holds a medium amount of water. All right, that went a little bit better. This is actually a defect in the paper, not actually a defect on how I applied the watercolor. So if you get this kind of thing, don't worry about it. This is still not perfect, but at least I know that I was able to calculate how much paint I needed. What you want to strive for is for the wash to be even and not have any stripes. It can also be a lot about the paper that you use, but don't think about that right now. Think about more if you can calculate how much water you need for an area. This is an A5, so I recommend trying it on an A4 as well, and that way you challenge yourself more as well. Hope this helps, and I'll see you next week with another exercise.